Welcome to my allotment in East Sussex. Another week on my allotment. Weather's been typical for April showers coming over dark during the day, and then bright sunshine, and then dark again, rain, then bright. Typical growing weather. I've done the beetroot, I've done the peas, which have been attacked by mice and stuff. I've tidied up the plot, which has meant taking all the material I've taken out of the beds. I've just deposited in a pile and concentrating on sorting out the compost. One of the other pests we have to put up with at this time of the year is the pheasants, and they go searching around looking for a mate and for food and a place to build a nest. They just kip down in the centre of a bed. The clearing up process included the clearing of stuff that had been growing in the runner bean bed, and that's all now cleared. Taking some more plastic and rubbish to the tip after I had hoed the onions and given them a feed. And another job to do before the rains came was to plant out the Greyhound cabbage. There's been, what else has been on? Oh yeah, the rats, found where the rat problem was and evicted the rats. Also the wind, which has been fairly strong, has damaged the polythene on the polytunnel again, so there's another repair. But the biggest repair I've got is the repair to my wife's pride and joy, her fountain. I carelessly knocked it over and the top smashed, so I'm at the present I've got to remake that. That's a job I could well do without, but needs must. But let's crack on. I'm told that for the over 60s Jigsaws are therapeutic. Well, I could well have done without this one. One of the jobs I've been doing is intermittently, that is mass producing material for the seed box. So you get a spare 10 minutes or 15 minutes and I just cut some of the pieces down to length, and then I've drilled them. And the reason why I've drilled them is because I'm using reclaimed nails. I've been using these ring nails, so these are salvaged. So these seed boxes aren't costing me a penny. So when I require another seed box, I just go to the stockpile of pre-cut sides, take out the required number of sides and nail them together. And the longest operation is the fixing of the wire mesh to the base, which is done on site. But overall, it only takes at most 30 minutes from start to finish, if that. There we go for this week's diary. I hope you found it interesting. It's been a busy week with an extra trip to London, visit to the big house at Glyndebourne, doing the heavy lifting for my wife's projects, her gardening projects, not to mention cutting the lawns. But there we go, it's better than doing nothing. So until next week, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thumbs up would be nice, but please do comment. So for this week, take care and see you next week. Bye.